Here we're told that f of x is equal to x times e to the 2x, and we're asked to find where this graph is concave up. Okay, this will be concave up where the second derivative is greater than 0. So let's find the second derivative of this. All right, first we find the first derivative, and we use the product rule. So I'll say the first times the derivative of the second, which will be e to the 2x times 2 by the chain rule, plus the second, which is e to the 2x, times the derivative of the first. Now I'm going to rewrite this and factor out this e to the 2x from each term. So I'll write this is equal to e to the 2x times, and I'm left with 2x plus 1. Okay, that's the first derivative. So now let's find the second derivative by taking the derivative of that. And again, we'll use the product rule. So let's do the first, that's e to the 2x, times the derivative of the second, which is 2, plus the second, which is 2x plus 1, times the derivative of the first, which is e to the 2x times 2 by the chain rule. Don't forget the derivative of that 2x right there. Now that's the second derivative. I just need to find where that will be positive. And this will actually be pretty easy to do if we simplify it. So look here, there's a 2 and an e to the 2x right there, and there's a 2 and an e to the 2x right there. So let's factor those out. I'll write 2e to the 2x, and that leaves me with a 1 plus this, 2x plus 1. Okay, so let's write 2e to the 2x times, this is 2x plus 2. Let's go ahead and factor out this 2 right here. So that will be 4e to the 2x times x plus 1. Now think of this as two factors, this and this. And you should see that this first factor, 4e to the 2x, is always positive. Exponential growth function there, for any value of x, that will be positive. So the product here will be positive if both of these are positive, which means x plus 1 has to be positive. So x plus 1 has to be greater than 0. So that means that x has to be greater than negative 1. So that is the x values where the second derivative is positive. That is where the original function is concave up.